Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, what we'll be talking about or beginning with is what are themes and plugins. So let's go ahead and begin. So to start with, a theme is a WordPress application that you can use for showing the front-facing end of your WordPress site. It's the beginning of your WordPress site. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that. If you come up here to the top of your dashboard and you go to where it says visit site, you right click on that to open it up in a new tab. And you come here to this page. This is usually your home page, and this is the theme. This is the theme of your page, right? It's the front facing end of your website. That's all it is. Is what you see when a user or anybody from the internet comes on, and this is the first thing they see when they come to your website. Okay, so this is the theme. So if we go back to our dashboard, and to get to themes, what we want to do is come down here on the left on the dashboard, go down to where it says appearance, and you'll see this menu, and just go ahead and click on where it says themes. It'll take you here to the theme section, and as we can see, for our theme we have this right here, which is 2024. That's our current theme. So the next thing is, let's say you want to go ahead and change themes, right? So what you can do is change from 2024 to 2022. And the way you change themes is you just go to the theme that you want to choose, you click on the activate button, and when you activate it, that will be your current theme. So let's go ahead and activate it. It is activated. So now 2022 is our current theme, and 2024 is no longer our current theme, right? And so now if we go to the front end facing of our website, again, we can go there from going to the website name and then right clicking on that and then choosing open in another window or another tab. And now that is our current theme. And that's how you change themes. Okay. Now for the next thing, let's go ahead and close this and go back to our dashboard. For the next thing we want to try and do is, what if you want to install a brand new theme? That's very simple. You just come back down here to the appearance section. You go up here to the top where it says add new theme. Left click on that button. And right here, you can go ahead and choose a new theme that you want to install. Now I see the one that I want to install, but just for demonstration purposes, let's go ahead and type it in. It's going to be Astra. Right? And there's our theme right there. Now, to download a theme, you just go down to the bottom of it. You'll see a blue button that says install. So we just want to go ahead and left click on it and install it. After that, we want to go ahead and activate it so it can be our current theme. So we activate it, and now as we can see, Astra is now our current theme. All right, and to see that, let's just go to the page again, left click on it, and this should be our theme for Astra. Okay, don't worry too much that it doesn't look like that. We're going to go ahead and change that in a little bit anyway. So we want to go back to our dashboard, and if we want to go ahead and get rid of a theme or delete a theme from our WordPress website, you just choose the theme that you want to delete, right? Let's say it's the current theme. Before we can delete it, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take it out of active status. So choose a current theme that you want to put in its place and click on the activate. Okay, and so now that is our current theme. And now we go to the theme that we want to delete, which is right here, Astra, and you just go ahead and click on it. And if you look down at the bottom, and you see right here where it says delete, you just go ahead and delete it. and that will go ahead and delete it off of our WordPress website. And that's how you install and delete themes from your WordPress website. So the next thing we want to look at is plugins. So let's go over to the side here, left hand side, go to plugins and click on install plugins. Now, as we said previously, a plugin is just a piece of WordPress software that allows us to control our WordPress website. So let's go ahead. We already have some existing plugins right here, but we don't want to use any of these. This one right here is Akismet, and I'm sure I'm not saying that right. And it just tells you what this theme is, what its function is. This one is used by millions. It is quite possibly the best way in the world to protect your blog from spam. So this protects your WordPress website from spam. And this one is called Hello Dolly. It's just a default plugin that's included with every fresh install. So we're going to install a brand new plugin, and this brand new plugin is going to, we just go up to the top, we click on Add New Plugin, and then we come over here to the very far right and we type in our plugin. Now, the plugin that we're going to install is also called Astra, right? And so you type it in, press enter, and you'll see Astra. Now this is my favorite plugin, right? It's my favorite plugin because it comes with a whole suite of software. It comes with starter templates. It comes with a WordPress page builder, 3 or 4 of which you can choose from. So in order for us to go ahead and install this plugin, we need to come over here, and this is the plugin that we're looking for. All right, it's called the starter templates. Okay, now before we can install it, if you want to look up some information about it, you can see that it's been installed at least 4,377 times. It's had over 1 million installations. The last update was 4 days ago. It is currently compatible with the version of WordPress that we have, right? And so this is going to be a good plugin. It tells us who has been created by. This is something that we want to do. We want to unplug this plugin. Now, if you want to do some further research, you can click on more details. For now, what we're going to do is we're going to install this plugin. So we just left click on install. Okay. And like you do with themes, in order to activate it, we want to go ahead and press the activate button. Give it a few moments and it's going to go ahead and activate for us. All right, and then it brings us here to where we have a choice between 3 page builders. You can choose either a block editor. Elementor is very popular amongst WordPress users. A lot of them like to use Elementor. I like to use Beaver Builder. I don't know why, I just like to use it. I've always used it, and so that's the one I usually choose. And then I'll go on to the next page. Okay, and then it'll ask you what type of website do you want to build, right? And so you can go ahead and just choose and go through these templates and see which ones you like. Any of them that say premium, that means that's a template that you got to pay for. If it doesn't say premium, then it's a free template, right? So you just go through here and choose which one you want. Once you've chosen it, or if you want to come up here to categories, you can come up here to categories, these different categories and tabs here, and you can choose a template that looks close to what you're looking for, right? Like you can choose local business, plumber, if you're a plumber, personal care, a professional, whichever you like, you can come up here and choose. And or you could just choose one of these here, right? And some of these you'll see amongst these other sections right here, right? So we'll just choose one, a free one, and it'll load up. And then if you like everything the way it is, which I currently do, just click skip and continue. All right. And these are talking about the different fonts that you might want to change. I like everything the way it is, so I'm just going to click on continue. And then these are the defaults right here, right? This next page. Now, if you want to fill out further information, you can go ahead and put in your first name, your work email, yada, yada, yada. Choose the defaults. However, I am not going to fill this out. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. You can just hit submit and then just wait for it. After you've made all of your decisions and your choices, it's going to go ahead and build up your template in your website. And then once this is done, this is going to take over for what your website is going to look like. And a lot of times what I'll do is I'll choose to install the plugin Astra, because when you install the plugin Astra, it will go ahead and automatically install the theme of Astra. That's why I like using it. It's so simple and it's so easy, right? And then once it's done, it'll tell you that it's done. And then if you want to look at the website view, like I do, I usually, well, let's go ahead and just click on view your website. And this is what your website looks like. Right? And then from here, let's see here, we can go back to, let's see if we can go back to, how will we go? Oh, well, we can just come back here if we want to go back to our dashboard, right? We can just click on the dashboard. And we can go ahead and close this out. All right. So now we have a website with a theme and a plugin, right? So if we come over here to our theme, we'll look at it. And as we see, Astra again is our chosen theme, right? And this time we didn't even install it, right? This time we had installed it as a plugin. And once you install, like I said, once you install Astra as a plugin, it installs a full set of templates for you, right? And then that's what you got. And then you just go ahead and go to that site by going to the top, going to visit website. We right clicked on it and we chose open the link in a different, in a new tab. And we went to it and this is our website. And it's that easy. As you can see, we did not have to use any programming languages, any programming skills. We didn't have to use any coding or whatsoever. Now you can do that if you choose to, but if you're just beginning, WordPress is not a very hard application to use. It's very simple. In my humble opinion, if you can use Microsoft Word, then you can definitely use WordPress. And that's all. It's just a bunch of templates that you can use, right? And it's got, like I said, it's got hundreds and hundreds of templates that you can use, right? You can install and use them to your heart's content. And you can come back over to your themes. And if we go to WordPress, if we go to Astra again, let's look at it. All right, and see now it has a different button, an additional button. Let's say you don't like, let's go over to our front end theme again. Let's say you don't like this theme. Let's say you want to choose another theme. If you come over here again to themes, right? And you choose your theme, your Astra theme, and then you can come over here to starter templates. Left click on that down at the bottom there. and you'll go through the template again right here, and you can change your template from here, right? You could just choose a template. Again, the premium ones are the ones you have to pay for, and if it doesn't say premium, then it's free, right? So just as a demonstration, let's choose this premium right here with the plants, right? You just left click on it, and you'll go through the different options again. We're just going to choose the defaults and click on continue, and then continue again. And then, like I say, you don't have to fill any of this out, right? You don't have to choose anything here. These defaults will already be chosen for you, and then you just click on submit. And then you just sit back and wait, and it's going to go ahead and build the website for you. And it's just that simple. It's that easy. You just choose the template that you want, and it will go ahead and build it for you. And then even on the back end, if you want to change, if you want to keep the template but you want to change what's on it, like you want to add some images or something like that, you can easily do that with this template right here with Astra, the Astra plugin. I love the Astra plugin. I've used it for years. It is very good. And just so you know, this is not a paid affiliate. This is not a sponsored video by Astra. I just love using it, right? And then you click on, it says congratulations, your website is ready, and it took about 40 seconds. And then you click the button, and it'll show you your website. And look at there. That's the new template that we have now. That's why I love Astra. Look, this is the old template. This is the new template. You come over here to the old template, you hit the refresh button up at the top, it's going to change to the new one. And there you go. All right. Well, I think that's good for now. I think we'll end the video right here. Thank you very much. I hope this was very beneficial to you. And as I said in the other video, if you would like to practice with your very own WordPress website, I have free WordPress websites that you can choose from. I'll include a link in the bottom of or in the description of this video. You can go there, choose them, choose whichever website you like, or create your own with the free website or WordPress website that I provide for you. So I hope to see you soon. I hope this video served you. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a good day or night wherever you are in the YouTube world. Thank you, and bye-bye.